Hello everyone and welcome back to another stock value video. Today we are looking at the chart that really caught my attention. In fact, I want to switch this to weekly chart so you can appreciate the scale of what we are looking at here. Look at this magnificent uptrend. This stock started its journey decades ago back in the 1980s, and it has been moving upward almost non-stop ever since. Now, it's not stocks that moves at lightning speed every single day, but it's incredibly resilient. It rarely suffers from heavy or easy pullbacks. Let's look at the recent price actions. We hit our last major peaks around the June of last year at $346. Let's look at the recent price action. We hit our last major peaks around the June of last year at the $343 level. From that peak, we experienced a significant corrections. The stock dropped sharply, finding a bottom around $189. But look at what just happened. With a strong 10% gain on this week chart, we can now clearly see the downtrend is likely broken. Why am I saying this? If we draw our downtrend line right here from the top, we can see the price action has finally broke above it this week. This is a massive signal. So, what is this next for the AJG? This is the perfect spot drawn a Fibonacci retracement from the absolute top to bottom. When we apply the Fibonacci tool, you will see that the 50% level line up perfectly between the $203 and $208. The bounce happened exactly in this area and the stock is now continuing its journey upward. As we move higher, where is our first obstacle? The 270 levels will act as our first near-term hurdle. In fact, if you look at closely, we have a clear resistance zone forming between the $270 on the bottom and around the $292-93 on the top. Because this stock has been is healthy uptrend for so long, standard data make it hard to guess exactly where it will pause. But market psychology usually tested these key zones. If we can clear this resistance zone, the path is open to reclaim our all-time high $344. Think about it. We are talking about the 4 years trend here. The only major interruptions this trend faced in recent years was during the 2026 pandemic crash. Right after that pandemic dropped, it bounced back and multiplied its value by 5 to 6 times within just a few years. What we just saw was simply a healthy run to profit taking, and the stock is already recovering. In my opinion, this historical setup could be a great opportunity you might know what to miss. Wishing you all massive profits. See you in the next video, stock value video.